Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley. Today I'm going to be making a card using the Monster Love stamp set from Trinity Stamps. This stamp set is so much fun, especially for Valentine's Day. It's perfect to make cute little monster cards. As you can see, there's 5 different monsters in this 4x6 size stamp set, along with a bunch of little hearts and little sentiments that you can stamp on those hearts. So I've pre-stamped out these images onto Bristol Smooth paper and I embossed them. I'm going to be using these Zig Clean Color Real Brush watercolor markers today and a water brush to be coloring these in. So as I color along here, you can kind of just see what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay some of the color down, and then I'm going to come in with the water brush to blend it through to the rest of the image. I'm going to put some music on for the rest of the coloring portion, and then I will be back after that is done. I'm just finishing up coloring here. So what I've been doing is kind of laying a line of the color on the edge and then just drawing it across with my water brush to kind of give it some shade and dimension. I really love the Clean Color Real Brush pens. They're just so much fun. The water moves so smoothly if you have the right paper. My favorite choices are definitely Bristol Smooth, and then of course watercolor papers work really great with these markers. One of my favorite things about this stamp and die combo set is that the dies allow the little arms to move in some of the stamps, so that's really fun. You can have them actually hold little items like the little hearts that are in here. So some of the monsters you'll see have that, and I will be utilizing that for this card. Lastly, I'm coloring in with a really light gray in the kind of stark white areas in their mouths. And as you can see here, they're all stamped out. You can see their cute little mobile arms that I'm going to be putting some of the sentiments in. So next I'm going to be making the background, and I'm going to be using Distress Oxide with the Trinity Stamps blender brush. I love this brush. I love the tapered point. They clean up so well. They blend so well. I love it. So first I'm going to lay down the blue color on about 2/3 of the paper. And then once I have that done, I'm going to come in with a second blender brush and do purple on the top half. And then to get that really smooth, kind of flawless line, a blended line, I'm going to just go back and forth between the blue and the purple until it's nice and smooth and you don't see any stark lines. These brushes make that really easy. To care for these brushes, you can either just wipe off the color onto a cloth or a paper towel when you're done with it, and then just put the cap back on if you're going to kind of stick with that color. If you want a deeper clean, you can rinse it under the faucet with hot water, use a little bit of a mild detergent, and just get all that soap rinsed out really well, and then they're good to go. They clean up beautifully. So next I'm going to put in these little, I like to call them candy hearts because that's what they look like. I'm going to glue them into their little hands. So I just used a quick dry dye ink for the stamped heart, and then I die cut them out and then just added some of the cute little sentiments. These sentiments are so cute. One of them is I love you with EYE, love ya, moi, XOXO. They're so cute and they work so well with this stamp set, and you could use these little hearts in other cards too that don't have monsters. For the three monsters that are holding the sentiments, I'm going to be popping those up with some double-sided foam adhesive, and then the other two I'm going to kind of lay low. That's just how it kind of worked for the layout for this card. Once I'm done adhering all the little monsters, I'm going to lastly add these little boiled sugar jelly drops. They are also from Trinity Stamps in their embellishment section of their website. I love these. I love all their embellishments, but these ones are so cute. They're crystal clear, see-through little hearts. They come in a variety of sizes. They're really easy to adhere with just a clear a glue that dries clear. And they're so much fun. They look like real little candy hearts. So after I get those done, what I did was just put down little dots of glue where I wanted to put them, and then just using my fingers. I find some of those little tools that help you lay down sequins so tough to work with. I do best with my fingers. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. As well as Trinity Stamps. I will have links to the store in my description below, along with the colors that I used and everything else for this card for your information. I hope everyone has a great day and a wonderful Valentine's. Thanks. Bye.